80 to 82 million people are going to be traveling during the week of Thanksgiving. Everybody's going to have a lithium-ion battery of some variety. It's either in their phone, it can be in their watch, it can be in their iPad, their laptop. Any of those things can be dangerous. Everybody's got one of those things. Hi everybody, it's Richard McKighton, McKighton Law, talking a little bit about lithium-ion batteries. It's Thanksgiving week, and we all know what that means. Lots of travel, especially here in the United States. I saw a statistic online, I think it was from the FAA or it might have been AAA. Somewhere around 80 to 82 million people are going to be traveling during the week of Thanksgiving, at least 50 miles. A lot of those people are going to be traveling by car, a lot of people by airline. I think the numbers were somewhere around 6 or 7 million people by airlines, which is actually down a little bit from past years. They say the government shutdown had something to do with that. But here's one thing we do know. Pretty much everybody who's traveling, whether you're in a car, a bus, a train, or on an air flight, everybody's going to have a lithium-ion battery of some variety. It's either in their phone, it can be in their watch, it can be in their iPad, their laptop. If they're traveling with something bigger, they might even have a scooter or maybe transferring a bike with them as well. And there's certain things you can do if you've actually got a smaller lithium-ion battery item. Again, we're talking a watch, a phone, iPad, or a laptop that you're basically taking on the flight with you that's not going down in a cargo. Any of those things can be dangerous. Everybody's got one of those things, but there are certain things you can do to try to protect yourself. And hopefully a lot of people do it because, again, these things are going to be everywhere. When you're on one of these flights, if you want to protect your lithium-ion battery powered items, you can buy certain things that'll help give you some protection while you've got these things in your travel bag. And there's also certain ways you can organize your things to keep yourself safe. First off, if you've got these things in your travel bag, let's say you've got a laptop, a charger, and a cord, maybe an iPad as well. Keep the things that have the lithium-ion batteries in them or the actual battery packs away from the charging cord, and keep them away from the actual charging stations, the battery packs, the battery chargers. The chargers and the cords actually can carry a small amount of static electricity. Static electricity does not mix well with lithium-ion batteries at all. It can lead to a short circuit of the battery, which can lead to smoke, fire, and what we talk about in the past, thermal runaway. So organize yourself and keep those things separated. You can also give yourself some extra protection as well. You can wrap your lithium-ion battery powered items or the actual battery packs either in anti-static bubble wrap, which is really the bubble wrap you find at Lowe's or Home Depot. It actually dissipates static electricity off of the item, so it can give you a little bit more protection. If you really want to get into it, you can buy a fireproof pouch or bag. They come in small items for like phones and laptops. They only cost about $15 or $20 online. You can actually drop your lithium-ion battery powered item in the battery in the pack or the pouch, and the pouch will give you some protection. So it's a couple of things you can do to kind of keep yourself safe. God forbid you find yourself in a situation where you've got something going off, a fire actually starting from a lithium-ion battery powered, let's say, phone or an iPad or a laptop. If you're on an air flight and you've got your stuff, let's say, in cargo hold or actually above your seats, don't deal with it yourself. Talk to the airline people, talk to the crew. They're trained in how to handle these types of fires. Even if it's a small item, the fire can be pretty dangerous. They've got protections on the flight that can help you. They've got fire blankets. They also have certain fire extinguishers that work really well when dealing with fires that are caused by lithium-ion batteries. Don't do it yourself. If you're in a car, or obviously if something's going off, pull over, get out of the car. Don't try to deal with it yourself. Call local first responders. They know how to deal with these types of fires. They're not like normal fires. They burn like crazy. The battery packs, even the small ones that you see in laptops and iPads, pack an awful lot of punch. So you don't want to deal with it on your own. Call local first responders. They know how to deal with these things. They have the tools that are necessary in order to safely deal with these types of fires. If it happens to you and you can get away from it, get away from it. If it's in your car, your house, your garage, get out of the house, get out of the car, get out of the garage, call first responders. So just a couple of things to keep in mind. Again, everybody's going to be traveling. It seems like Thanksgiving week. Everybody's going to have something that has a lithium-ion battery in it. Those things can be really dangerous. Protect yourself. Again, Anti-static bubble wrap around your items, fire bag or fire pouch, really good as well. If you've got any kind of questions, you can always call McKighton Law. Have a good holiday.